So they respond to color, intensity, or direction of light. They respond to changes in temperature, pressure, or sound. And they also respond to changes in chemical position, changes in chemical position of surrounding soil, air, or water. Air or water. Okay, so the fourth criteria is reproduction. Organisms can reproduce, and there are two kinds of reproduction. There is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Okay, sexual reproduction is the product of two parents. Sexual reproduction. Product of two parents. So we have the father and the mother. Their gametes fuse to produce the offspring. Because the gametes from both parents fuse together, there is genetic variation, and that contributes to the gene pool. So you'll see more genetic variation in sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, this is the product of a single parent, of one parent, and this is the key number here to distinguishing between the sexual reproduction product of two parents, and this is a single parent. An example of asexual reproduction can be seen in an amoeba. An amoeba is a simple eukaryotic organism, meaning it has a nucleus, and it divides used by mitosis and cytokinesis. So it divides it splits into two cells. Because it is a product of a single parent, you don't really see a lot of genetic variation. And so this would be a parent, and that divides into two new cells, and so will this one, and so will this one also. Because the offspring here are product of the parent, offspring, parent, offspring, and parent. Because they are a product of the parent, there's not a lot of genetic variation. However, it can occur if there is a genetic mutation. And genetic mutation is a permanent change in the organism. And if there is a genetic mutation, then it changes the offspring. Otherwise, in the normal asexual reproduction, there is very little to no genetic variation. Okay, so the last thing we're going to look at, organisms, the last criteria, living organisms can adapt. Basically, what adaptations do is it increases the organism's ability to survive in the environment. And humans evolved opposable thumbs in order to pick up things to make tools. So without these adaptations, then organisms wouldn't be around for many, many years.